Hi beloveds, making this video to talk to you about my new masterclass where we are going to be working on clearing the 7 chakras and their chakra grids. Now these 7 chakra grids that we are going to be clearing are the grids that have formed in the first 7 years of your life on this planet. So in the first 7 years, every year you have picked up patterns, beliefs, conditionings that have created the foundation for your life. And you have obviously primarily picked these up from your parents, right? Also, these grids have also come down to you ancestrally. So you not just have your parents' grids, you have their parents' grids and their parents' grids and their parents' grids. Okay, there's a build up there, and because of this build up, it is very possible that we are experiencing a lot of hindrances in our growth here and now as we are moving into 5D because of these grids. So, which is why we are going to be working very intensely with the 7 Pleiadian goddesses who are going to be taking you through 7 gateways or portals for clearing these grids. They are also known as Kritikas, these goddesses of the Pleiades. And you will be working with every divine aspect of your future self, your Christed self of the light, your higher self, and your complete I am presence. And all these aspects of you will be focusing their light on these grids and clearing everything that is inhibiting your ability to have complete faith and trust in your own self, in believing that you are indeed capable of manifesting your dream life. You will also be meeting with certain star beings who are going to be helping you to experience starlight energies that will amplify the light of those dreams and desires that are most important for your life to be manifested now. And you will receive star codes of patience, divine timing, and trust. And we will also be graced with the presence and the healing with Lord Kartikeya, who is the Lord of the Pleiades. So please do join me if you feel so called. The rest of the details are going to follow in the post below. This class is going to be held on the 8th of February at 9 p.m. India time, and the time in your country can be probably found in the post below. So do join me. Looking forward to seeing you and clearing together. And remember, everything we do, all clearings we do for ourselves and we do for Mother Gaia and every brother and sister who is ready to receive this energetically if their higher self gives them the permission. Okay? So God bless you and thank you.